Now I'm gonna show you the best.
Make it to the top. I'm going to
Louis, I'm an actor. I mean, for me, this is a new experience for me. I haven't never done anything like this. It creates a space to where we can be ourselves. You know, outside of the prison politics and boundaries, we can come in here, be ourselves. It changes the dialogue in prison. Like now we have something to talk about. You know, it expands our awareness and things that where we would never think otherwise. So,
you know, the first time I ever changed in a diaper, you pull in my hand. What? I have no idea what to do, so I put hand on the butt to catch your poo-poo.
Dad, that
But
has
then
nothing
you
to do
stop
with
it.
Vietnam.
I use the other hand to block it, so I spray my hand. And I go, oh no, what do I do? This is so crazy.
You're just gonna keep
And I put my hand on head like this, and it had poo in it. It got old. It's so stinky. You should put that story in play.
No, I'm not gonna put a story about me pooping into your head into my play.
I think it'd be a good story to tell.
Dad, are you drunk?
Ira, I came here to be a writer. I want to further along my career when I go home, and this gave me a template to follow. At 23 years old, while sitting in a prison cell, I received a phone call that told me that my time was up, that I couldn't bridge the gap between my father and I. My father is gone. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm Jimmy McMillan. For me, this program, I think it not only helps us as a collective come out of our shell, but we get to meet each other, vibe with each other, you know, and create something beautiful at the end of the day, you know. It's about stepping out, coming out, and being prepared and doing what you got to do to put on the show, you know. Once we do it, you know, they'll feel that feeling. They'll get it, they'll understand all the hard work we put in for this program, and this program put in for us. We're gonna give it all.
Do you hear me talking? I am the River Niger. I came across the cloudy Mississippi over the keels of incomprehensible woes. I ran way to the Henry Hudson under the sails of Ragged Hope. I am the River Niger, transplanted from Harlem to the Harlem River Drive. Hear me, my children. Hear my waters. I sleep in your veins.
Are matched withal and grafted to accompany the greatness of thy blood, and hold their level with thy princely heart.
So please, your majesty, I could quit all offenses with as clear excuse as well as I am. Doubtless I can purge myself of many. I am charged with all.
I'm a professional actor as well, and I want to acknowledge every single one of you for the courage and heart that you brought to entertain us and to continue to move forward and inspire the people and environments around you.
My name is Buddha Henderson. This is my mother.
So what do you think of the show?
I love it. It was awesome.
All right. Is this the first time that you saw him act?
Yes. Well, no, but yes. I've been acting all my life.
I know, right?
I'm Don, and this is my wife, my Don.
So what do you think of the plays that we wrote?
I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with such a short training, with very short time to practice, and for them not to be professional, I think it's very impressive.
Oh, Grace, think of the show.
I think it shows that they're learning something while they are being incarcerated.
Would you like the show?